स्टूडेंट इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया नांदेड़ यूनिट की जानिब से नांदेड़ के हैदर गार्डन में आज मुनक़िद की गई साइंसी नुमाइश में रिजवान जूनियर कॉलेज एंड ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल की जानिब से तलबा ने भरपूर हिस्सा लेते हुए अपनी गैर मामूली तख्लीक़ी और साइंसी सलाहियतों का मुज़ाहरा किया। रिजवान इंग्लिश स्कूल की जमात 8वीं और 9वीं के होनहार तलबा ने इस नुमाइश में कुल 12 जदीद और तकनीकी मॉडल्स पेश किए, जिनमें ग्रुप नंबर 1 के तहत कौनैन रुफिया अब्दुल रऊफ खतीजा तहरीम सैयद जुनैद जीना मैकानिज़ शेख निसार और जूबिया नाजमीन मोहम्मद फेरोज कुरैशी ने डिज़ास्टर अलर्ट सिस्टम, ग्रुप नंबर 2 के तहत आयशा खानम जुम्मा खान सालिहा कौसर दाऊद खान और तहरीम रोज़मीन रियाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी ने स्मार्ट ब्रिज, ग्रुप नंबर 3 के तहत शेख नवीद शेख वसीउद्दीन लखन रमेश जादव शेख इरफान वहाज मोहम्मद रफ़ी और यासिन अली करीम अरीम ने गैस्ट्रो कल्चरल कार, ग्रुप नंबर 4 के तहत शेख साहिम जोहेब मोहम्मद हुमेर खोकर मोहम्मद साजिद शेख अब्दुल रहमान शेख अब्दुल यावर और मोहम्मद इरशाद मोहम्मद जुनैद ने ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम, ग्रुप नंबर 5 के तहत सबा कौसर मोहम्मद अमजद महविश फातिमा अब्दुल हादी कारिया मरियम अब्दुल अजीज़ और मरियम खान गौस खान ने सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर, ग्रुप नंबर 6 के तहत हयात इस्माइल तांबोली तंजिला सैयद कुरैशी और बुतुल फातिमा नज़ीर खान ने स्मार्ट फायर सेफ्टी मॉडल, ग्रुप नंबर 7 के तहत सचिन अंकुश राठौड़ सैयद साद सैयद इमरान मोहम्मद फरहान मोहम्मद रियाजुल हक और सैयद महरान सैयद जमील हाशमी ने सैटेलाइट लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल, ग्रुप नंबर 8 के तहत मोहम्मद सुबहान मोहम्मद जब्बार वाहिश रहमान फताज रहमान अब्दुल सबूर अब्दुल रशीद और शेख जैद अहमद शेख निसार अहमद ने लेज़र सिक्योरिटी अलार्म, ग्रुप नंबर 9 के तहत अरीबा मरियम जोहेब खान आयशा सिद्दीक़ा मोहम्मद ताहिर अरशद अहमनुल अमीन अब्दुल वजाहत और सैयदा जूबिया महरीन सैयद शकील ने ब्लड ग्लूकोज डिटेक्शन, ग्रुप नंबर 10 के तहत जिक्रा फातिमा अब्दुल रशीद शेख इरम फातिमा रहमत शीफ परवीन ताहिर शेखावर उमीमा बुतुल अब्दुल अलीम ने मार्स रोवर, ग्रुप नंबर 11 के तहत खाजी अफ़ान अहमद अकबर अहमद अंशल असरार खान पठान शेख रेहान शेख फरीद और शेख फरहान मोहिउद्दीन ने AI बेस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और ग्रुप नंबर 12 के तहत उम्मे कुलसूम अक्सा सैयद एजाज अलीशा मोहम्मद फाजिल कुरैशी अलीशा फातिमा रहमतुल्लाह खान और बुशरा बेगम मोहम्मद जमीर ने इको डस्टिंग मैनेजमेंट जैसे मियारी प्रोजेक्ट्स पेश किए। तलबा ने बेहद एतमाद और साइंसी शऊर के साथ अपने मॉडल्स का अमली मुज़ाहरा किया और शुरका को तफसीलात फराम की, जिन्हें हाज़रीन ने भरपूर सराहा। तलबा की रहनुमाई और तरबियत में स्कूल के डायरेक्टर अब्दुल रशीद सर, स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल वाइस प्रिंसिपल और सीनियर असातिज़ा ने अहम किरदार अदा किया। स्कूल इंतज़ामिया की मुनज़्ज़म तैयारी और असातिज़ा की बेहतरीन रहनुमाई के बाइस तलबा अपनी तख्लीकी सलाहियतों को मौसर अंदाज में पेश करने में कामयाब रहे। उम्मीद की जा रही है कि साइंसी नुमाइश के नताइज में रिजवान इंग्लिश स्कूल के तलबा के नाम नुमाया मुकाम हासिल करेंगे और उनके मियारी मॉडल्स इनामात के मजबूत दावेदार साबित होंगे। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट MCN उर्दू न्यूज़।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today a science exhibition has been held by SIO, that's Student Islamic Organization of India, by the name Irtefa. It's a very good event and a very innovative and creative project to accommodate all these scientific models at one place from the whole Nanded, from all of the schools of the Nanded. And Alhamdulillah, Al Rizwan has also participated in this event, and we are representing our institution through 12 models under the 4 themes, and those 4 themes, that's astronomy and astrophysics, biomedical health, sustainable development, robotics and automation. All these 4 innovative ideas have been represented by our students, and especially our models, that is Indian Mars 2030, that is the India's Mars mission to in the year which is going to be launched in the year 2030. Now India's Mars mission is an orbiter, but our rover is going to be launched in the year 2030, and that future idea has been represented by our institution. And another model, that is satellite launching vehicle, that has gained very much popularity among the students, and we are very much pleased that all our projects, one of those is Smart Bridge, Laser Security Alarm and Disaster Alert Pro, all these projects are getting accolades and appraisals from all the public. बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है इन तमाम प्रोजेक्ट्स को, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो इसके लिए मैं ज़िम्मेदारान का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म को अरेंज करने के लिए, और हमारे इदारे के सरबराह अब्दुल रशीद सर और तहसीन मैडम का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि उन्होंने इस मंच पे आने की हमको हिम्मत अफजाई की। और स्पेशल थैंक्स टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल, अमेजिंगली, और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, और उनके मेंटर्स को और गाइड्स को जिन्होंने ये प्रोजेक्ट को पूरे मुनज़्ज़म तरीक़े से बनाने में स्टूडेंट्स की मदद की। जज़ाकल्लाह।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज SIO नांदेड़ की जानिब से ये जो इवेंट चल रहा है इर्तिफ़ा 2.0, उसमें साइंस एग्जीबिशन जो प्रोग्राम था, आज उसका इनेकाद बहुत ही बेहतर तरीके से अमल में आया। मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ SIO नांदेड़ की पूरी टीम को। और इस प्रोग्राम में, इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन के इवेंट में अल रिज़वान ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल एंड जूनियर कॉलेज की तरफ से हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट किए, जिसमें हमारे बच्चों ने 12 प्रोजेक्ट बनाए। 12 भी प्रोजेक्ट जो हमको थीम प्रोवाइड किए थे, 5 थीम, सारे के सारे इनोवेटिव थीम थे, और बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत से बहुत उम्दा अंदाज से प्रोजेक्ट को पेश किया। इसकी थीम्स, काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट इसमें से ऐसे हैं जो कि आने वाले फ्यूचर में एक बहुत ही अच्छा उनका फ्यूचर रहेगा। ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, एक यंग टैलेंट के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म SIO ने प्रोवाइड किया। मैं ख़ास तौर से शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा डायरेक्टर अब्दुल रशीद सर, प्रिंसिपल मैडम और पूरी टीम का। सब ने कोऑपरेट किया, बच्चों को बहुत उम्दा से ट्रेनिंग दी, और मैं SIO के जो मैनेजमेंट टीम है उनका भी बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्र अदा करता हूँ कि एक मुस्लिम बच्चों के लिए माइनॉरिटी में एक इतनी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म, एक बच्चों के अंदर की क्रिएटिविटी और साइंस के ताल्लुक़ से जो नॉलेज है, उसके लिए एक सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म नांदेड़ में प्रोवाइड किया। इंशाल्लाह आने वाले दौर में हम भी, हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से हर बार साइंस एग्जीबिशन होती है, और आने वाले दौर में हम भी इसमें और बेहतर तरीके से पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टीम और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Science Exhibition. Myself Qazi Afan. I am from 9th class.
Myself Nishal Khan. I am studying 9th class.
My name is Sheikh Rihan. I study in 9th class.
My name is Sheikh Far. I am from 8th class.
So we are from Al Rizwan English School. So today we are present here to explain you about our project AI-based transportation.
It is an underwater tunnel, a simulated model showcasing a tunnel system beneath the water bodies to improve connectivity and reducing time.
This is accident alert system. If accident will happen here, so the person should have to simply press this button and the alarm will activate and send alert to our control room. Our control room will send all the emergency services, ambulance, etc.
It is a wheel integration. Imagine the car going in full speed and generate air. The wind will rotate and produce electricity. The electricity go into control room, and control room send electricity to our hospital, street light, etc.
This is a smart dustbin. You have seen the municipality dustbin, they are full and spread over the road. Not in this case, if the dustbin is full, the alarm will activate and send alert to our control room. Our control room will send workers to clean it.
It is a railway crossing signal. Imagine the train coming from that, and also a vehicle, and vehicle is not stopping. The waves going to car and stop immediately because the car was computerized.
And this is a mountain tunnel. Illustrates the functionality and design, the process of
Underwater and mountain tunnels provide seamless travel across challenging terrains.
So the main motive of our project is to prevent accidents and reduce travel time. Thank you for listening us. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Zaid Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vahesh Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Subur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Subhan.
We are studying 9th class. Our school name is Al Rizwan English School. Our project name is Laser Light Security System. The system operates on the principle of detection. When a laser beam is interrupted by an object triggering an alarm, it creates an invisible barrier that alerts when broken. This happens because the amount of light reaching a photodetector LDR significantly decreases when the beam is broken.
A laser diode emits a narrow beam of light. The light dependent changing on the amount of light falling on the narrow beam. The light is dependent on the LDR, LED, mirror place, cardboard, transistor, resistor. When the laser beam is shining on the LDR, its resistance is low. When the laser beam is interrupted, the light falling on the mirror is high, and it causing its resistance to increase.
The system typically includes laser diode, LDR, and transformer, and resistor and capacitor in power supply. application, home office security to secure office space, monitor access area, bank, etc.
We are thankful to our Al Rizwan Junior College and group of school to conducting the such as amazing science exhibition.
Assalamu alaikum. This is our project Indian Satellite Launch Vehicle. It helps to send satellites, astronaut from Earth into space. It gives enough speed and force to space Earth's gravity. There are 3 types of fuel used in this rocket: solid fuel, liquid fuel, and hybrid rocket.
How a launch vehicle work launch vehicle burn fuel, solid or liquid. Burning fuel releases hot gas. These gases push the rocket upward. Newton's third law: every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Stages: most launch vehicles have multiple stages. Each has its own stage and own fuel and engine. When a stage runs out of fuel, it separates, making the rocket lighter. This helps the rocket reach higher speed and space efficiently.
There are 3 types of launch vehicle. Number 1, PSLV. The full form of PSLV is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Number 2, GSLV. The full form of GSLV is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. And number 3 is SSLV. The full form of SSLV is Small Satellite Launch Vehicle. We are thankful to our school, Al Rizwan English School, teachers and SIU group to conducting wonderful science exhibition. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Myself Budul Fatima.
Myself Hayat Tamboli.
Myself Tanzila. We are studying 8th class. Introduction to enhance fire safety measure by creating an automatic emergency slide system that allows you can save evacuation from elevated floor in case of fire. Key features: automatic deployment. The emergency slide is triggered automatically when the fire is detected. It provides quick and direct exit for people on the first floor or higher level. Second point: fire detection system. Equipped with sensor, example smoke detector or flame sensor, to detect smoke or fire. The system immediately send a signal.
Next is compact design. The slide remains folded and concealed when not in use, ensuring it doesn't disturb the regular layout. Next is safe exit path. Made of fire resistant and durable material to ensure safety during evacuation. Next is emergency alert system. Audible alarm and flashing light guide people to the safe and safety descent.
Next is application. Game zones, malls, theatre and other public space with elevated floors. School and educational institution for rapid evacuation during emergencies. Any multi-story building requiring efficient evacuation methods. Next is benefits. Reduces evacuation time during fire emergency, preventing panic and injuries, increases safety for occupants, especially in crowded areas like malls, game zones. Demonstrate a practical and scalable approach to fire safety.
We are thankful to our Al Rizwan English School and Junior College and group of school and teachers and SIO group for conducting this amazing science exhibition. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Zikra Fatima, daughter of Abdul Rashid. We are from 9th standard.
My name is Iram Fatima, daughter of Sheikh Rahmat from 9th standard.
My name is Umayma Batul, daughter of Abdul Ali.
My name is Shifa Parveen, daughter of Sheikh Tahir. We all are from 9th standard.
So, this is our project Mars Rover under the theme of astrophysics and astronomy. So, this is Rover. A Mars Rover is a robotic vehicle designed to explore the surface of Mars. Unlike stationary landers, rovers can move, conduct experiments at different locations and capture detailed images. This helps scientists study Mars without sending astronauts, which is safer and cheaper. Main goal of this mission is to search for signs of past life. Scientists want to know if Mars ever had life, even tiny microorganisms. Rovers look for rocks that may contain fossils or chemical traces.
Finding water is a key of finding life. Rover look for ice deposit, mineral formed by water and dried riverbed. Analyze the atmosphere and climate. They study the thin Martian air, dust storms, temperature, etc. for understanding the climate's weather. How does Mars rover work? power supply. Some rovers use solar panels and others use radioisotope thermoelectric generator, also known as RTGs. RTGs provide continuous power even during the dust storm.
Mobility system in rovers use 6 wheels with a special rocker bogie and suspension systems. There are different. They helps to move slopes, rocks, and animal surface without flipping. There are different types of cameras, including like navigation cameras for movement, panoramic cameras for landscape images, and microscopic cameras to study rock texture. There are different types of scientific instruments, include like spectrometer to study the chemical elements, drills to collect the rock samples, environmental sensors like radiation, temperature, wind, and lasers to study rocks.
Achievements of Mars rovers. Rovers found strong evidence of ancient rivers and lakes, confirmed that Mars once had a thicker atmosphere. India is going to launch their first rover in the year 2030, confirmed by ISRO Chairman Dr. V. Narayanan. This mission including lander, orbiter and rover. We are thankful to our school, Al Rizwan Junior College and group of school for conducting such a wonderful and amazing science exhibition. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is our project Artificial Intelligence Based Disaster Alert Pro. Myself Khadija Tahrim and Sayyid Junaid, and this is my group.
Myself Zubian Armin.
Myself Conan Rufia.
Myself Zaina Makanis.
We are students of 8th class from Al Rizwan English School. Introduction. To create multifunctional disaster alert system that can detect and respond to various calamities, ensuring safety and timely actions. Key features. Fire alert system. Detects fire in the vicinity and triggers an alarm to alert people. Can be integrated with emergency services for immediate response.
Earthquake alert system identifies seismic activities using sensors and sends alerts. Flood alert system monitors water level and activates alarm when a critical threshold is reached. Help in minimizing damage by warning residents and authorities. Broken railway track alert system uses sensors to detect breaks in railway authorities to prevent accident.
Benefits. Enhance public safety. Provides timely alert, reducing the risk of injury and loss of life during disaster like fire, floods and earthquakes. Allows your evacuation plans to be implemented promptly.
Accident prevention detects broken railway tracks to prevent train derailment and related accident.
Cost efficiency. Early detection minimizes property damage, saving cost on repairs and recovery efforts.
Rapid emergency response alerts authorities instantly, ensuring quick deployment of rescue teams and resources. Community awareness helps residents stay informed about the potential hazards, enabling them to take action. Scalable and customizable can be adapted for various environments such as homes, offices, railway system and flood areas. Environment friendly reduce the environmental impact of disaster by minimizing damage for infrastructure and natural resources. Reliability automated system ensure consistent monitoring, accurate detection without human intervention. Promotes technological advancement. Encourages the integration of IoT and smart technology in disaster management. Compliance with safety regulations. Help organization meet disaster preparedness standards and guidelines. Application public spaces like malls, offices and transportation hubs. Residential areas for improved safety. Railway network for accident prevention.
We are thankful to Al Rizwan English School and Junior College and teachers and SIA group for conducting such an amazing and wonderful science exhibition. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is our project blood glucose testing under the theme biomedical and health. My name is Ariba Mariam, daughter of Zohaib Khan. This is my group. We are from 9th standard and belongs to Al Rizwan English School.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sayyida Zubia Mehreen, daughter of Advocate Sayyid Shakil Ahmed. We are from 9th standard. The theory behind modern glucose testing depends on enzymatic method. It uses special enzymes called glucose oxidase or glucose dehydrogenase. This meter generates electric current at electrode in the disposable test strips.
The equipment we use here, this is a glucometer, this is a brick pen, this is strips and this is lancets. We are thankful to our school, Al Rizwan Junior College and group of school teachers and SIO group for conducting such an amazing and wonderful science exhibition. Thank you.
Myself Yasin Ali, son of Kalim Ali. We are studying 8th class from Al Rizwan English School and this is my group.
My name is Lakhan Zadov, son of Ramesh Zadov.
My name is Sheikh Arfa Wahaj, son of Mohammad Rafi.
My name is Sheikh Naveed, son of Sheikh Wasiuddin. This is our project Jester Car Control Principle. It operates on the principle of using sensors like accelerometers or gyroscopes, which operates on the principle with the robot system, and it controls.
Key component number 1, a sensor, a device like an accelerometer that detects hand movement and translate them into data.
An Arduino that receives raw data from the sensor and processes it to identify specific gesture.
Gesture recognition algorithm, a software program that analyzes the sensor and matches it to hand gesture.
The sensor captures data related to the position of hand movements. The microcontroller processes the raw sensor to extract relevant features like hand position.
It's help people with disability to control device with hand gesture. It develop interactive games and experience where user control hand movement.
Equipments, RF module and Arduino, motor driver, TT gear motor, rubber wheels, anode, cathode, header pin.
We are thankful to our school Al Rizwan Junior College and group of school teachers and SIA group for conducting such an amazing and wonderful science exhibition.
Thank you for giving your valuable time.